Meaning of greenkeeper.
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 Greenkeeper. A greenkeeper is a person who is responsible for maintaining and managing the upkeep of outdoor areas, such as gardens, parks, or sports fields. Their duties include tasks like mowing, fertilizing, watering, and maintaining equipment. They work to keep these areas healthy and attractive for public use. A successful greenkeeper must have knowledge about planting, pest control, and irrigation systems. They need to work with precision and attention to detail to ensure that the area they are responsible for remains in top condition. Overall, the role of a greenkeeper is crucial in providing pleasant and functional outdoor spaces for the community.